What is this? Like, we've just been walking along the beach and check this out. This is what they're supposed to look like. And this is what we got out. So it's doing its job. Yeah, we want the bigger version.
And that's why I'm scared of the ocean. Anything like my my rap skills. Oh my gosh, I've stuffed the first one already. It's literally been 2 seconds.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're bringing you out to Learmonth jetty. We were going to come for a fish, and we still might do, but we might have to go down the beach a little bit because the jetty is a little bit busy. Oh, and also, quick update. Thongs come up a treat. They've sealed up, bit of extra cushioning on them too with the Sikaflex. Very impressed with how they've turned out.
And for that all to make sense, you would have had to have seen our last video where Bryce had a bit of a, I wouldn't even call it a blowout.
Yeah, just nearly lost the bottom half of my thongs. Bit rough. And
he's a bit tight, so we just thought he'd use the leftover Sikaflex to join them back together.
Not a bad little job, but just got to get the knife and trim off a few bits. And what do you reckon? Looking good, eh?
Because trimming it off will make them look better, you reckon?
Yeah, just neaten them up a little bit.
What did you say? You wanted to get like some black silicone?
Yeah, I'll get some black Sikaflex and get the soapy water bottle out and smooth it all off, make it look real tidy. What do you reckon?
No. Good thing we had our tetanus shot not too long ago.
Well, it's only a little bit rusty.
Look at the oysters. Do you reckon you can go for a swim and get me some?
Oh, if I have to.
Look at all the bait fish. It's cool.
Yeah. Chelsea, I got bad news. You're missing a handle.
No!
But I found it up here.
Oh, it's still up there.
Still here. It hasn't gone too far. But I don't think it's quite salvageable. Well, I might be able to bush
what has it
mechanics something
done?
up.
Just like...
It's lost the pin.
Oh, it was really wobbly.
Yeah, that's alright. Might be up for a new reel.
Yeah. Guess I'm using your rod today.
I guess so. Well, you're the one that catches all the fish anyway.
We've chosen to come down the beach a little bit further than the jetty. It's just back there. But it's such a nice warm day that we thought we'll come out on the beach, park the car down here, and then we're not around 50 million people fishing.
And it's super breezy on the jetty, but down here, it's beautiful.
Alrighty, hopefully we catch something. It would be nice to have fish for dinner tonight. What is this? Is it a pup? I don't...
Huh? Oh no! Been feeding the fish for a while, and finally had one on.
They are annihilating me. They're taking all the bait, but I just can't get anything on there. And we keep going smaller and smaller hooks. If we go any smaller, I don't think I want the fish that's going to get on the other end. I don't think it's big, that's for sure. Oh, it's a little... Is it a rainbow? No.
No, it's like a little trumpeter thing almost.
No, we were catching these at Steep Point. Rainbow runner? Nah. Oh, butterfish. Western butterfish.
Western butterfish, that's it.
Can you just send back your mum or dad, please, mate? And then...
Yeah, we want the bigger version.
Oi, come back here. Give Bryce a kiss.
Mwah. Alright, send him back.
Bye. Send back your mum or dad, alright? So we found sugar-free cruisers, so we bought 2 10-packs of them the other day at the shops, and it really takes me back to my youth.
You make out like you're so old.
I am, 25.
One great thing about the cruises is too that when you're a little bit rusty, like I am, they're great to, what is it, hair of the dog?
Yeah, hair of the dog.
Fix you up a bit. I'll put a photo up here now of me yesterday when we were playing golf. Yeah, we dressed up as electricians. It was great.
Ah, little blue bone.
Hey.
Oh, rainbow. Is that blue bone? Yeah, look at his teeth. It's all
There
blue.
you go.
He was putting up a little bit of a fight. I thought you were going to be a bit bigger than that, mate.
Yeah, it would have been nice if it was a bit bigger.
Oh, he's definitely going back.
Nice work.
Look at his mouth. Look how blue it is. Oh, them teeth are freaky.
Go and put your finger in there.
Tonight we're going out to Charles Knife Canyon and we've brought some dinner with us. I'm gonna watch the sunset. We've been saying this for the last nearly 3 months while we've been here, that we've got to do sunset at Charles Knife. Apparently it's like a must-do thing in Exmouth. So we're finally gonna go do it. I think we've found a pretty nice sunset spot. It is just a shame up here that the sun sets on the other side, so we are gonna lose our light fairly quickly, but it is still very beautiful. I'll show you. So the perfect time of day is actually sunrise, but no way that we're gonna get up there early to make it. Because on our days off, all we wanna do is chill out and relax in the morning. So sunset's gonna have to do.
One piece in hand, it's a start, but it's a
A little bit frothy.
no need to say, how will I call?
Chelsea's whipped up some cold rolls. We had them the other night with some friends, and that's what's on the menu tonight.
It's a new favourite. Well, I really like cold rolls.
Yeah, I've only had them once and they were pretty good, so keen to give it another crack.
I have made up this sauce. So it's got peanut butter, coconut milk, garlic, chilli, I don't know, soy, heap of good stuff. So hopefully it's delicious.
After getting everything out, turns out we've actually forgotten the main ingredient.
Well, Bryce's main ingredient, the chicken.
Yeah, so it's going to be vegetarian, vegan
Vegan cold rolls.
So should be quite nice.
But we've got these noodles and stuff. So they're still gonna fill us up.
That's what happens when you leave it too long.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be anything like my my wrap skills. Oh my gosh, I've stuffed the first one already. It's literally been 2 seconds. Do you want me to peanut it for you?
Yeah, you can nut all over it. Come on.
Bit more?
Yeah, a bit more. What do you think this is?
Do you want some chicken? Oh wait, we didn't bring
Oh,
the chicken.
no chicken, of course.
This is me trying to turn Bryce into a vegan.
It's not working.
It's making me crave it more.
Yeah. Alright, what do you reckon?
Oh, well, it's better than mine. Let's just show everyone again.
Yeah. Chelsea's not very good at wrapping things, we've worked out.
Oh, sorry.
Look at that. Jeez, what's your language? That's $10 in the swear jar.
Oh wow, you're professional.
I'm pretty good. The key to how I wrap things is I read the packs first, just to get a little bit of like insight on how you wrap it.
Freestyle all the way.
Check that out for a cold roll.
Yeah, nice.
Not too bad for a beginner.
A few nudes.
If you do want to see nudes, check out onlyfans.com/caravan adventures.
Oh no, I think I've overdone it already, haven't I? Bit the peanut sauce.
Stop the video right here and let us know in the comments how well this wrap's going to go.
You fold the ends.
She's already failed.
There's too many spiky ingredients. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's a big hole. Voila!
Yeah, that's terrible. That sucked.
Oh, that peanut sauce is to die for. Isn't that always the way? The plumbers leave their own stuff till last?
Yeah, it's just a quick friendly reminder to change your anode in your hot water service.
Or it just turns into mush.
Yeah, I'll show you what they're supposed to look like. This is what they're supposed to look like. And this is what we got out. So it's doing its job. Yeah, they're meant to be eaten up and saves your hot water service from getting eaten. Instead it eats this out instead. Yeah, so you're meant to do it about every year. It's been about a year since we were in Yeppoon and I did it last. So I just try and get in there and flush it out a little bit. And you get nice big chunks of... That's a rock. It's alright. You get big chunks of calcium coming out because the water's very harsh in Exmouth.
Bryce is doing a couple of odd jobs around the van this morning, so I have made us brekkie. Pretty much just a heap of things that we had in the cupboard, some bread that I made the other day as well, and yeah, looks really good. Is that going to be a little bit green for you, Bryce?
No, I think I could make it do. It's got plenty of basil on it, so
yeah, that's it. Bryce brought me back a bouquet of basil the other day. He found this at his work, and then we've got our tomatoes ripening in this bag here. I always put them in the sun because they're getting attacked by the bugs. And they're just the tomatoes that are growing wild out the back.
So we're trying to find out what we're going to do today because sometimes it's a bit of a struggle with the winds around here. So we've got this app called Windy, and hopefully you can see it, but it actually shows you where the wind's coming from, and you can actually see where it looks safer or calmer to cruise out for the day. At the moment, it's looking like in the Gulf is the way to go, and it even shows you progressively throughout the day.
And while we're on the topic of apps, we have got an app called Fuel Spy, which lots of people have, and it's so convenient when you're traveling on the road because it compares the fuel prices. So in a town like this, you've got a few fuel station options, and then you can see which one's the cheapest. And what's the cheapest coming in at today, Bryce?
$2.39.
$2.39, and what was the other one? $2.60 something.
$2.67.
Wow.
We haven't had to buy fuel for a while because we haven't been doing very many Ks, and we've put the jerry cans through the car because we thought they'd been sitting there for a little while too. And yeah, $2.67 for diesel. When did that happen?
Well, we've decided to come down to Bundegi and get some coffees from the boat. Slow up, I'm going to trip over. And get some coffees from the beach shack, which is where I work. It's a really nice day here in the Gulf. The winds aren't too bad. We really wanted to go to the national park, but it was just super blowy over there.
Yeah,
so yeah.
Maybe tomorrow instead. But yeah, that's the first time I've been allowed to come to the beach shack because Chelsea goes, we're not going there on my day off because I've been there 6 days. I don't want to go a 7th. So yeah, it's actually quite a cool spot.
It's one of the, or it is the only place at Exmouth where you can sit, have a meal, have a coffee, and look over the beach.
What is this? Like, we've just been walking along the beach and check this out. That's so strange. Look at it move. I kind of want to touch it, but I don't.
Yeah, maybe don't touch it. It was full just like moving like a worm before.
Yeah.
It's calmed down a bit now. Hey.
If you do know what it is, let us know in the comments because we have no idea.
Actually, that's going to be the second thing in this video that we're asking you to comment on if you know what it is. So weird. The ocean's so creepy.
I'm going to try and pick him up without getting
Getting spiked.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's spiky or fluffy.
Yeah, I don't. Oh, I lost him. Oh no.
Where's he gone?
Baby, come back. See you, mate. Good luck.
And that's why I'm scared of the ocean. Thanks everyone for watching another video. If you are enjoying them, please make sure to like and subscribe. We are only going to be in Exmouth for a couple more weeks working, and then we're going to be hitting the road and heading north. See you next week.